I probably deserve this. You probably don't. Running 10 kilometers, a goal that will challenge your body, test your limits, and strengthen your spirit. For many, the journey of running a 10K under 1 hour is more than just physical. It's a mental and emotional journey, one that requires perseverance, dedication, and a strong mindset. So we had our first outdoor run. I only trained around 5 to 6 kilometers inside the gym, and we went straight for 10 kilometers now. And yeah, it's a great experience, but my leg hurts. More training. A successful training starts with proper planning. Then, one last time, getting drunk with the people closest to me. My family and friends. The day after that, I bought a pair of training shoes, which I'm also planning to use during the race. And just because you had that one last fun and abusing your body, it will also take a toll on you. So it's been the 5th day that I've been sick and I couldn't run or jog. I don't want to make things worse, but yeah, I hope tomorrow I'll be better and continue my training. Finally, after a week, I was able to resume my training. From running for only 10 minutes 3 times a week, I need to improve vastly to achieve that 10 km in 1 hour. What's up, runners? Warm up. Okay. Layo ko. Wala ko nagtrapa. What's up? Shout out. Minutes na. Go, 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 go!
Vengo to, wala, no? Jeff! Martin! Tunga, Martin! Tunga!
You're probably wondering if I finished sub 1. Despite all the preparation, the answer is no. I didn't hit the sub 1 hour mark in my first attempt.
Nice, Kalot! Tunga!
With your medal. Thank you. How do I feel now? Did I do my best? When I saw the finish line, it was a mixed emotion because I know I did my trainings with the best of my ability, but it wasn't enough.
Let's go! Tag mo ko,
How's the sub 1?
Lagi ang burst, guys.
Pindot kayo.
Sub 1 basic!
Nice, easy. Supporter 1 and 2.
Ayun guys, from here to from Ayala to Oslo.
Iluan ako. Will I redeem myself? We're gonna find out. So click that subscribe button and follow.